Now, after we have seen how to read from a file, let's see how we can write into a file. So we will say with open, and then we are creating a new file, hello new.txt, and we are giving it a handle as my file. Now we will say my file.write. We'll write the first line, hello world, then write the second line. This is the first time we are writing into a file, and then we'll say my file.write isn't this code. So we have written 3 lines into this file. Let's run the code. So now we should see a file hello new.txt on our machine with these 3 lines written. So let's see, we have this file hello new.txt. Let's open it. It says hello world. This is the first time we are writing into a file path. Isn't this cool? Exactly what we wanted it to have. So with that, we have seen how we can read and write into a file. Now, there are a couple of other methods, but we may not need them. So we have skipped them for now. Most of the useful methods and modes we have mentioned here. With that, let's move on to package Panda.